Hi, everybody. I've created this sequence for you specifically when you're fatigued at your desk and you've been on your computer and on Zoom and you just need to do some movement right at your desk. So different chairs, of course. Everybody's going to have a different situation, but just try this out in whatever chair you have. And if you've got some weights, you can certainly try it with the weights. If you don't have weights, well, just do it without the weights. And if I say push the weights down into your thigh, you just do that with your fists. And same when you've got your hands on the chair, you can just make fists. So let's give this a go. Taking a hold of the weights, placing them in the crease of the hip, right at the edge of your chair with the feet nice and wide, soles of the feet on the floor. Take your inhale breath, look up. As you exhale, push the weights down into the crease of the hip as you drop your head. And again, inhale, lift. Breathing in deeply. Exhaling, pushing the belly back and rolling your shoulders forward as you drop the head. Good, try one more time. Push the weights down, lift up. And as you exhale, a little round shape in the back, rolling the shoulders and elbows forward. Good, and change. Once you've got a facing and you've got the weight on your waist, bend the right knee and then push straight. Try that again. Bend the knee, straighten the back leg. Good, stay there and push your weight in front and back. Use some resistance, use some strength. And then change to face the front. It's a warrior two stance. And with the weights on your thighs, let's lift up and look up. Exalted warrior with a little side bend. Change to the other side, carefully. Push the weight straight up in center. And then take your side bend, bending, balancing the weight at the back of the skull, breathing away. Good. Change to face the other side. So do this carefully if your weights are heavy. Once you've got your position, straighten the back leg. And then bend that knee. Try to find a real drop with the knee. And then straighten the back leg. Might help to lean forward. And then as you bend the back knee, lift your chest. And this last time, let's try pushing with the weight into the straight leg. Good. And change. Warrior two stance. Lift up and exalted warrior. Super big side stretch. Change to a little side bend in exalted warrior. And then to lateral angle. Up goes the weight, down goes the tailbone, and as you side bend, the weight balances behind you. Good, and change. Coming out of the posture into the side of your chair. Get onto your forearms with the hands on the front bell. Lift your head up and breathe in. And as you exhale, it's a cat pose. And as you breathe in, bend your knees, lift your chest, cat lift. Exhale one more time to cat. And then change to a down face dog like this. Walk your feet back. Stretch the chest down, the head just between your arms. Feel free to bend your knees. Good, and change. The bottom bell's open. The knee tucks in. Lift up your chest. And as you fold forward, allow the back knee to bend. And try one more time to your inhale breath. and then change to the other side. Taking care with your chair. Lift the chest up, inhale. Exhale, bend the back knee. Drape the body down. And come back up. Good, come back in front. We'll just do one twist. So if you cross the right leg on top, the left arm comes across. The weight pulls you down, so you lift and twist. Stay for a breath. And change. The arm comes across. The back weight pulls you back. Lift your chest and twist. Good, and change. So many variations. Do a little bit more on your own if you like, or close here with me. Thank you.